In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project templates in monday.com. We'll begin on your monday.com home. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand panel and open Workspaces. Workspaces help you keep everything organized by team, department, or initiative, so choose the workspace where you want this new project board to live. Picking the right spot now saves time later when teammates look for it. Inside the workspace, find the plus icon to create something new. Click it, and when the creation menu appears, hover your mouse over the board option. Instead of starting from a blank board, choose Start with Template. This takes you to the Template Center, which is the fastest way to launch a standardized project setup without building everything from scratch. From here, you can browse all templates. If you already have a clear use case in mind, use the search bar at the top to quickly narrow down options. For project work, open the Project Management category. You'll see a range of ready-made layouts for different project styles: classic task tracking, agile planning, timelines, and more. Click the one that best fits your workflow to open its details. On the Template Details page, review the sample structure. Look at the groups, the columns, like status, owner, due date, and any pre-built views. If it aligns with how your team works, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board in your chosen workspace based on that structure. If you're unsure, you can always back up and preview another option before proceeding. Once your board is created, it's time to make it yours. Rename the board to match your project or process so it's easily searchable. Update groups to reflect phases like planning, in progress, or completed. Adjust columns to fit your data. Keep what you need and remove anything that isn't relevant. This is also a good moment to set default statuses and owners for common tasks so your team has clear expectations from day one. Next, populate the board with your projects or tasks. Replace sample items with your real work, assign owners, add due dates, and fill in priority or effort where helpful. If you're working with cross-functional teams, confirm that everyone has access to this workspace and can see the board. Finally, give the board a quick test. Filter by owner, group by status, and scan the timeline to ensure the views support your planning and reporting needs. And that's it. You've used monday.com's Template Center to launch a structured project board and tailored it to your workflow.